Welcome to today's lesson on Newton's third law of motion. Newton's third law is one of the most important principles in physics. It states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that forces always come in pairs. Whenever one object exerts a force on another, the second object exerts an equal force back in the opposite direction. Let's understand this with our diagram. Here you can see a person pushing a cart. The force applied by the person on the cart is the action force. At the same time, the cart pushes back on the person with an equal force in the opposite direction. That is the reaction force, even though both forces are equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. They act on different objects, which is why motion becomes possible. We can represent this law mathematically as Fe 等于 Fr, where F1 is the action force and F2 is the reaction force. Examples of Newton's third law are all around us. When you walk, your foot pushes backward on the ground, and the ground pushes you forward. A rocket launches because the hot gases are pushed downward, and in reaction, the rocket is pushed upward. Birds fly by pushing air downward with their wings, and the air pushes them upward in return. So, remember, no force ever acts alone. Every push or pull creates a pair of forces action and reaction. This principle not only explains simple motions, but also complex technologies like airplanes, cars, and space travel. That's all for today's lesson on Newton's third law.